What's up, guys? Here today at the Shawano Dam in Shawano, Wisconsin. Coming down here to clean up the area and see what we can find for lures. I had a lot of people tell me to come check this out, so here I am, baby.
You just told me here that someone lost a magnet for magnet fishing over here somewhere.
Okay.
I don't know.
I go check it out. Oh, it flipped over. How'd that happen? Huh. Is it? Yeah. That was pretty easy. Nice.
Alright, well, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey, enjoy the rest of your day, the rest of your weekend.
Yeah, you too. Thanks for stopping in.
Alright.
Just whacked my head on that little beam down there. It's like a water pipe or something. Okay, got that. That was kind of wore me out. Three bikes. A long ways. Right past those the first pair of pillars. There's 3 bikes in there. We got them out. That is a lot of work. Look at those trolls on the bridge up there. I'm peeing in the river. See that? I just peed in here. Yeah. What's up, guys? I just finished my dive down here at the Shawano Dam. Saw a couple Stellas down there. Stella the sturgeons. It's a pretty fun dive. Saw some suckers, saw some walleye, some bass. But let me show you what I got here so far today. Got a couple bicycles out of there. Some of these big old bikes that are they snag stuff up. They get fishing line in them. But look at that one, old banana seat there. Little trick bike, just a regular bike here. Got some nice fishing lures, some muskie lures, some other lures here. Got a bunch of aluminum cans out of here, and to top it off, got this magnet. Someone lost their magnet. That's a bad day. Found a couple of these gems, Sundrop, made right here in Shawano, Wisconsin. I'm gonna crack one open and refresh myself here. Some good stuff. Alright guys, today I'm here with special guest Sheriff Bieber from Shawano County. My cousin. We're down here at Shawano River, and got any words of advice for people listening out there?
Boating season's right around the corner. Everybody's going to be out and enjoying our waterways. Make sure you have your PFD, and obviously be sober. Seatbelts are important. Set your cruise on your vehicle. That's always important. It helps people maintain a level speed. But just be safe out there.
Celebration of him coming out to see me. I want to give him something here. Pops love donuts.
My favorite. I'll take care of all these.
Perfect. Well, you're supposed to share.
Oh no, I'm not sharing.
You know, I know cops like cola, so we got him a 2 liter of cola
Awesome.
instead of a 1 liter.
Perfect, thank you.
Officer Farva. Also gonna give him some Ed the Diver stickers. I see it has a lot of decals on his vehicle. Maybe he'll want to put one on his vehicle. Who knows?
I'll definitely put these to use. Thank you.
All right. Well, good to see you, cousin.